What's up, online shoppers? I just got sent an awesome package of Hydrocolloid pimple patches. Now these are the ones by Gushe. In here are 132 patches of a variety of sizes. And what's really awesome about them is because pimples come in all sizes, these come in 3 different sizes. So you can tailor the size of your patch to the size of the eruption on your face, or your back, or your chest, or your neck. Great options. It's a resealable package. I have a pimple patch on. I dare you to find it. But for anybody who hasn't found it yet, it's right there. And the great thing is, virtually invisible. Inside of this package of 132, you get night patches and you get day patches. So the 2 sizes you get in the night patches are 10 millimeters and 12 millimeters. And the ones for daytime are actually 8 millimeters wide. They virtually blend in with your skin. You can actually put them in, wear them out when you're in public, and nobody's really gonna notice them. You can use the tweezers here to lift it off. Not only do they cover up your pimple, but they help it to heal with the ingredients that are actually embedded into the hydrocolloid. Now, one word of caution, you shouldn't be using these patches on top of another skin pimple medication. So if you've put on some kind of salicylic acid or pimple preparation, because you could end up having a skin irritation or a skin inflammation. So only use these by themselves. Now, something else I like about these is once I put it on, it seals the pimple off, and I'm less likely to touch it or fidget with it. And I know for some people picking is a problem, so having something on like this is definitely going to discourage that from happening. They're waterproof, so you can wear them when you're swimming. They're very gentle on your skin. I love that the packaging is so hygienic. This definitely helps you to keep these pimple patches clean and free from any of the bacteria that would be on your hands. And it gives you a nice, easy way to apply it on your face also, because you've got this tiny little tip for grabbing the pimple patch, and it's less likely to get stuck to your fingers and you do not get it where you want it to go. Now, how do you know when it's time to change your little patch? Well, it's actually pretty easy. The pimple patch right now is almost invisible on my skin, and when I know it's time to change it when it turns from this invisible color to like a milky white color. That's when I know it's time to peel it off, check the results, and if necessary, add another patch. Pop the pimple patch on and feel like I'm doing something. So I've got my pimple patch and my tweezers, and then I'm gonna show you how easy it is to apply. It's pretty sticky. Makes me appreciate the tweezers. Now I have a little mirror down here that's gonna help me see what I'm doing. Line it up just like that. I can use my finger to smooth it on, just like that. Now you see, once I've pressed it on, it virtually disappears on my skin. Here's another cool thing that I discovered with these. When you take your tweezers and you peel it off, sometimes the guts of the pimple comes out with the patch. Gross and awesome at the same time. Ideally, you're gonna wanna leave the day ones on for a minimum of 3 hours and the night ones on for at least 8 hours. As well, remember not to stack your pimple products because you could end up irritating your skin. I think that these Gushe pimple patches are fantastic, and it definitely makes it a lot easier to take care of pimples than some messy creams. These patches work on all different skin types. You can keep them in your wallet, in your purse, in your gym bag for pimple emergencies. If I have one, you know how sometimes you can feel a pimple coming on? Well, I can keep one of these little packages in my wallet, in my gym bag, in my purse, and it's really easy to just pull it out. It's also a feel-good product because these are vegan and cruelty-free. It's something that people are happy with the results and keep going back to buy again and again and again. These are definitely going to be a family favorite at my house. What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you taking the time to check out my product reviews. It means a lot. Now, if you want to get your hands on that really great product I just showed you, I've linked it for you in the description below. Make sure you don't miss any more fresh product reviews by clicking subscribe and turning on your notifications. That way you'll get notified every time I post fresh content. And if you liked it, be sure to give it a thumbs up, because that way YouTube knows you want to see more of my content. By the way, don't forget to cannonball and do what you love.